Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Threads application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your Instagram. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can watch through various different threads made by other users. Now, if you wish to add any friend, then simply tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, which will now take you into your profile page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top right, and you will now see the follow and invite friends option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you can now use the Instagram friends button in order to search for various friends that you have on Instagram. Once you find any person that you would like to add, you can simply tap on the follow button alongside their profile, and this will now send a follow request to this person on their Threads account. Once they tap on the follow back button from their notifications, you will become friends with this user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your Threads account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.